Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Make Your Own Wings. Hope you all guys are doing great and keeping safe at home. So today's video, you would have already read the caption or the title of my video, which is how I do waxing at home. So I thought why not to share it with you guys and also do a demo come review for this product that I am using right now. So I am actually using this Veet wax strip, and it's the third time that I'm using. So if you guys want to use this product, you can see this video and you can see if you want to use this or not. So I'll give you a close look of the package, what all is written on the package. This is the front side wherein all the basics and things are written. One of the sides wherein all the precautions and instructions are written. The back side wherein the details about price, manufacturing details, expiry details, some tips and details about companies there. And the last side wherein all the steps how to use these strips are mentioned. So I'll just give you guys a brief about this product. So this product is actually a ready to use full body waxing kit, and it gives a salon smooth finish at home in 3 simple steps, which is peel, apply and pull. So this is for sensitive skin. So since I have sensitive skin, I had ordered this one. However, you get other variants as well for dry skin and for normal skin. So you guys can choose the variant basis your skin type. Since it's for sensitive skin, so it's made up of almond oil and cornflower scent. So it has 20 pre-coated wax strips and 4 finishing wipes. Once you're done with your waxing, you can use just those finishing wipes and get rid of extra wax that is left on your skin to get a perfect smooth finish. So this package also gives some tips for good results, which are like, for great results, apply some talc to make sure skin is perfectly dry before waxing, and then always pull back the wax strip against the direction of hair growth, keeping the strip close to the skin as you pull. So just one thing, whenever you will apply the wax strip, so you should always apply the wax strip in the direction of your hair and make sure that you're pulling the wax strip against the direction of your hair. Okay. So the next point is, the faster you'll pull, the more hair you'll remove. That's obvious. Wax in a consistent pattern to make sure you don't miss any hair, but don't wax of the same area more than once, because otherwise, it'll get really flaky and you'll start to have itching on that area. And it's written you can reuse each strip until it loses its stickiness. So it's not necessary that once you've applied the wax strip and have pulled it, so you cannot use it again. So you can use it on the other skin where you have hair left and just try pulling it. So till the time the stickiness is there intact in the strip, you can use it again and again. And once the strip loses its stickiness, you can stop applying it and you can revert to the next strip. So this was a quick preview of whatever is mentioned on the package, and so now I'll just show you what all we get in the package. So now I'll just open this box and I'll just show you. So we actually get these kind of strips. So these are pre-coated wax strips. So it is actually 2 wax strips together. So this is how you're gonna pull it, and you'll get 2 wax strips. So you get 10 of this kind in this box, and in a way you're actually getting 20 wax strips. Once you pull this, you'll be having 20 different wax strips. So this was about the wax strip, and here you are also getting this perfect finishing wipes. And if I just show you how does it looks like, I'll just open it. So you get 2 in this. So in one package there are 2 finishing wipes packed separately. So next you have this pamphlet or brochure kind of thing wherein you can read all the instructions that how you need to do the waxing. So the instructions are also mentioned in English and Hindi and also some other languages as well. So it's very easy for you guys to have a look and start waxing. So in this box I got 10 different sheets which could be separated into 2 each. So 20 total of wax strips and 2 such packets. And each such packet was having 2 finishing wipes, so total of 4 finishing wipes. And if I tell you about the price for this product, so it retails for 199 rupees, and it has near about 3 years of shelf life. So the manufacturing date is August 19 and the expiry date is August 22. So exact 3 years of shelf life, which is actually good. So you have 3 years to use this. So if you want to take a small package, you can also take small package in this. So this is the big one, as it's written full body waxing kit. So you can also get a half body waxing kit. So as I told you, this is the full body waxing kit, which means this is a large package. So if you want to have a small package first, just to try that, so you can go for a small one, which retails for actually 99 rupees, and it actually has 4 such sheets, which can again be separated into 2 each. So in total, 8 wax strips you'll be getting, and also there would be one such packet having 2 finishing wipes in that. So that is also very good. So now, without wasting any more time, let's just start with the video and see how I do waxing at home. Let's start. So I'll just show you guys how much hair I'm having right now on my arms, and you can see here I'm having a lot of hair on my arms right now. So let's start with the video. So I'm just taking this sheet of wax and I just pull it apart like this. Look at this. Ah. So I've taken this strip, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply this in the direction of my hair like this. Apply it tightly and press it a little like this. Just press it, rub it. Just rub it with your fingers like this. The more you'll rub, the more it'll stick to the skin and the more it'll pull the hair from your skin. So I'm just rubbing it, rubbing it, rubbing it, and rubbing it. And now we'll be pulling the strip from this side. So actually my hair growth is like this. So that's why I applied this strip like this, and I'm, going to pull it in the reverse direction or against the growth of skin. So since my hair are growing like this, and I'm now gonna pull it like this in reverse direction. Okay, so again I'm just gonna give a tight grip here. And remember, it was written the faster you'll pull, the more hair you'll remove. So I'm just gonna remove it as faster as possible. So let's start. So you guys can see. So it's actually pulled a lot of hairs, you guys can see. And I'll just show you my arm. Can you guys see? Can you guys see the difference? It has actually removed the hair, and that too from roots, you guys. Just look at this. So I'll just apply the same process on the other parts and get rid of the hair on my arm. I just do like this. Rub it, 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 and I'll just pull. Oh. So I'm done with waxing on half of my arm, you guys. So you guys can see my hair are gone, and I'm so happy. It's feeling actually so smooth right now. And I've just taken out the hair from my fingers as well. You can see. So just see the difference. So you can see a lot of redness here on my fingers, on my arms. It's because my skin is really sensitive. And even when I used to go to the salons, I used to get this redness whenever I used to get the waxing done. So that's the reason I had ordered this sensitive skin wax thing for me, because my skin is super sensitive, So I'm almost done with this wax strip. You can see the results. You can see the hairs. There was so much hair that has been removed by this strip. So now I'll be using the other strip, and just to show you the comparison, you can see this finger. There are no hairs over here on the fingers, and just you can see this hand. So there are hair on my fingers if you just see closely, and I don't have hair on this hand, on the fingers anymore. So guys, this is how I do waxing at home without any hassle, without the need of going to the salons. Whenever you need, you can do that at home, and you guys can see how much hair it is actually pulling. It is actually removing from the skin. And just see, the wax strip was blue in color. The wax was blue in color when I started using it, and now look at the strip. Just look at that. Just look at the results, guys. It's amazing. I actually like these wax strips from Veet and also recommend to you. So I'm done with my waxing now, but there is a lot of wax that is stuck on my skin, and my skin is very sticky right now. So if you guys can just see how much sticky it is, my fingers are also so sticky. You can see they're very sticky, and there is some wax also left on my skin. If you can just see the shining thing and this blue wax here. So I'll now be using this perfect finish wipes from Veet that was there in the packaging, and I've opened one of those packets, and the finish wipe looks something like this. So it's a paper kind of thing, and I'm just opening this, and there is some oil or some moisturizer kind of thing which is there in this, which will actually remove the wax from the skin. So and it'll just moisturize my skin very gently, and it'll make my skin very soft. I'll apply it all over arms and hand wherever I have done the waxing, and I'm using it on both my arms. So I'm just cleaning it nicely and properly. So this finishing wipe is actually a paper kind of a thing, but it really didn't get tear off when I was using it, and I was able to properly clean my arms and hands with this finishing wipe, and it was able to remove the wax properly, and it was good. Okay, so I'm done with my waxing on both my hands, both my arms actually, and I've applied those finishing wipes on my arms, and it's no more sticky. It's very moisturizing and very hydrated. So my skin is absolutely smooth right now, and no hair at all on my fingers, on my arms, and I'm very happy. So just to conclude the video, my final review on the Veet waxing kit is, it is actually good. So if you want to avoid the salon, if you are at home and maybe in an emergency situation, or you can't afford to go to the salon, you can definitely go for this Veet waxing kit at home. It is very easy to use and very affordable as well, and you're getting 20 strips in just 199 rupees, and also the finishing wipes are there, so it'll remove your hair very nicely and from the roots. But there's one thing that I would like to tell you guys, which is if you have some tiny hairs, छोटे छोटे बाल जो होते हैं आपके स्किन पे, कभी कभी it will get difficult for this strip to remove those tiny hairs, because मे बी ये वैक्स उतनी गर्म नहीं होती है, उतनी हाइड्रेटेड नहीं होती है जितनी नॉर्मल एक सैलों की वैक्स होती है. सो इट कैन गेट डिफिकल्ट टू रिमूव दोज टाइनी हेयर्स, बट देन येस, if you have good growth on your skin, it will be very easy to use. Since I told you this is full body waxing kit, so you get a half body waxing kit, and also there's one more variant that you get, which is a full face precision kit. So in that full face precision kit, the wax strip or the wax sheets are not this big which you are getting in this packaging, but they are a smaller size. So in this packaging you are getting a wax strip of this size, and in the full face precision kit, the waxing the sheet would be of somewhere around this size and this broad. So it will be even less than half of the size for this sheet that I've shown you. And the reason the size is small, because it is actually for the face, so for the cheeks, for forehead, for the eyebrows, chin area. I mean, you can apply that all over face, and that is actually for using it for tiny hairs that are there on your face. So if you have, so this was the whole review of this Veet waxing strip. I hope you guys like the review. So if you guys like the video, do give a thumbs up to this video. It will mean the most to me, and it will keep on motivating me to make more such videos for you. And also subscribe to my channel, Make Your Own Wings. I'll be making more and more videos on the reviews and demo for a lot of products. So just give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I put a new video, and you can just go and see my video. So bye bye, see you in the next video.